Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Virgo and Gem and then these fun decals from Nails Truly. We are diving right into this mani right away and continuing our Dr. Seuss series. We're actually on day 6 and this is a bonus upload. If you're wondering why this video is up so early at 7 a.m., this is the bonus upload and I figured might as well start our morning with some fun green eggs and ham, right? And then we'll have another video tonight at the regular scheduled 7 p.m. daily upload schedule. But we are diving into this beautiful color here from Virgo and Gem. It is called Moonlight and it's amazing. You can see here with that gel method, it is very full coverage, very shimmery. It is the perfect background for decals or nail art, or if you love a white mani with that touch of sparkle and there's a twist, it glows in the dark as well. This color here is definitely a must-have, and we are doing the gel method today, but I wanted to share some news to you. So guess what is on Amazon Prime? Virgo and Gem has their liquids now on Amazon Prime. So if you're ever in a pinch and you're running out of dip liquids, you can get the Virgo and Gem liquids now on Amazon Prime, which is amazing because their dip liquids are phenomenal. So we're diving right into this mani today. We're doing 2 layers of dip powders. You're really going to see these beautiful colors in action. These are great colors. This yellow is everything. It is perfect for heading into that autumn fall season, and then you're going to see a stunning green here in action. But let's dive right into this mani and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're
Alright, now that we placed the decals on all the nails, I'm just taking this flat brush here with a little bit of acetone and I'm just gently feathering it across that decal to just press down any air bubbles or lines that may be left in that decal. And then to seal in the decals, we are doing a layer of gel base and curing that for 30 seconds. Also, this decal had a little bit of decal hanging over the free edge, so I cleaned that up with the same method with the acetone and the flat brush. And again, we are going to go ahead and do a layer of gel base and cure that for 30 seconds. That just really seals in and protects those decals. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a layer of gel base on the other nails that do not have the decals and cure that for 30 seconds. If you're looking for a more in-depth tutorial on decals, you can refer to some of the other manis that we did in this Dr. Seuss series, because I did break it down in some of the videos. And then to finish up this mani, I went ahead and did a layer of that gel top coat and cured it for 60 seconds. And here's the finished mani. How fun is this green eggs and ham mani? It is everything. I love it so much. I feel like these colors from Virgo and Gem really just nailed the green eggs and ham color combination that I was going for, and they're just such great dip powders. They're super finely milled. You can see that green and yellow are just flawless coverage. They're not patchy or streaky or anything like that. And Moonlight just glows in the dark, and it's just a gorgeous white. That glitter, it's not like this overpowering glitter. It's just very subtle and just so fun, and it doesn't take away from any of those decals. So it's just overall a fun staple color to have in your collection. And I just had so much fun creating this mani. Green Eggs and Ham is definitely one of my favorite Dr. Seuss books, and I just had so much fun creating this. So stay tuned. Tonight we have another one that is going to be super fun, and we're going to do some fun glitter placement, and then we have one more left in this series for Monday. So I hope you're enjoying this series, and I will see you all later in the next upload.